Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to bust a popular myth and guide you on how to properly drink water in the morning for optimal health benefits. Have you ever heard that drinking a glass of water on an empty stomach in the morning is good for your health? Well, if you drink it the wrong way, you could be consuming bacteria. Stick around, because we're going to share 3 crucial steps to turn your morning glass of water into a miracle drink. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your loved ones, and let's dive in. The importance of water in the morning. Our bodies are composed of approximately 70% water, making it an essential component for sustaining life and maintaining good health. Water plays a vital role in regulating body temperature, expelling waste, promoting metabolism, improving blood circulation, and detoxifying our systems. During the night, as we sleep, our bodies continue to function, leading to water loss through sweating and metabolic processes. This makes us dehydrated by morning, emphasizing the importance of rehydrating first thing. Drinking water in the morning can lower blood viscosity, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, proper hydration helps maintain cognitive functions, supports the digestive system, and aids in nutrient absorption. But to harness these benefits, it's crucial to consume water in the right way. Rule 1. Rinse your mouth before drinking. When you wake up in the morning, your mouth is a breeding ground for bacteria. Overnight, your mouth becomes warm and moist, creating an ideal environment for bacterial growth. Even if you brush your teeth before bed, bacteria can proliferate during the night. Drinking water without rinsing your mouth first means you're essentially consuming these bacteria. To avoid this, make it a habit to rinse your mouth with water as soon as you wake up. Gargling with water a couple of times effectively removes a significant portion of the bacteria. Avoid using mouthwash in the morning, as it can adhere to the oral mucosa due to the dryness of your mouth overnight. Water is sufficient to cleanse your mouth and prepare it for that first refreshing glass of water. Rule 2. Drink lukewarm water. Avoid drinking hot or cold water on an empty stomach in the morning. Lukewarm still water is the best option. Here's why. Drinking cold water can shock your autonomic nervous system, hindering blood circulation and potentially causing heart irregularities like arrhythmia. Cold water can also stress your teeth and gums, leading to potential cracks in your teeth. On the other hand, hot water uses up energy to cool down to body temperature, depleting your morning energy reserves. Therefore, lukewarm water around 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius, is ideal. It gently wakes up your digestive system, promotes blood circulation, metabolism, and energy use. Lukewarm water also aids in the smooth functioning of your gastrointestinal tract, preparing your body for the day ahead. Rule 3. Drink water slowly. Drinking water quickly in the morning can be hazardous, especially for those with high blood pressure or a history of brain issues. Rapidly increasing blood flow to the brain or heart can cause blood vessels to burst, leading to severe complications. Additionally, drinking water too quickly can cause headaches, lower the concentration of salt in your cells, and increase the concentration of water, causing cells to swell. To prevent these issues, Drink water slowly over about 5 minutes. This allows your body to absorb the water more efficiently, promoting better hydration and minimizing any potential risks. Taking your time to drink water also helps regulate your body's internal balance, ensuring that you start your day on a healthy note. The gut-brain connection. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and drinking water in the morning can significantly improve gut health. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, contains 70% of immune cells and produces various hormones, including serotonin, the happiness hormone. In fact, 90% of serotonin is secreted in the gut, making it particularly important for mental health and emotional well-being. Drinking a glass of water on an empty stomach in the morning promotes the gastrocolic reflex, stimulating bowel movements and helping in the elimination of waste. This practice also enhances the effectiveness of probiotics and supports a healthy microbiome. A well-hydrated gut aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall immune function, contributing to a healthier, happier you. How much water should you drink? There's a lot of debate about the optimal amount of water one should drink daily. However, the key is to listen to your body. Drink water moderately when you feel thirsty. Drinking too much water can be harmful, especially for people with weak kidneys, those on dialysis, diabetics, or individuals with acid reflux. For those with weak kidneys or on dialysis, excessive water intake can cause swelling and trouble breathing due to fluid buildup. Diabetics might experience low blood sugar if they drink too much water and subsequently eat less. People with acid reflux or weak stomachs may feel worse because too much water can cause the valve between the stomach and esophagus to open more frequently. Therefore, it's best to drink water in moderate amounts, no more than 1 glass at a time. This approach ensures that you stay hydrated without overloading your system. Summary. To summarize, for optimal health benefits, remember these 3 essential steps. 1. Rinse your mouth with water before drinking. 2. Drink lukewarm water. 3. Drink water slowly. Incorporate this healthy habit of drinking a glass of water on an empty stomach in the morning, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your overall health. This simple practice can lead to better digestion, improved energy levels, and enhanced mental clarity. Thank you for watching. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your family and friends. Wishing you health and happiness always. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip. Add a slice of lemon to your morning glass of water for an extra boost of vitamin C and a refreshing taste. Lemon water can also aid digestion, enhance your immune system, and provide a burst of energy to kickstart your day. Plus, it adds a delightful flavor to your morning routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below and share how drinking water in the morning has impacted your health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and wellness advice. Share this video with your family and friends, and let's spread the knowledge together. Wishing you health and happiness always.